Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up or log in to your account on the Temple Run 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you can tap on the gear icon at the top left corner from the main menu, which will open up the settings option. From here, just scroll down and you will see the sign in button by Google Play. Just tap on the toggle and now this will link to your currently selected Google account on your device. Once the account is connected, you will see a notification by Google Play Games, which means that you have now been signed in or signed up to your account successfully. You can now go back and start playing your game, and all of your progress will be saved to this online account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up or log in to your account on Temple Run 2. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.